We just arrived in the Jerash archaeological site. This is in Jordan, no? First destination that we have. According to materials here, these are the old structures, no? Roman structures. This area was under the Roman Empire before. Let us see some. Oh, this written in Arabic. Oh, Christianity was born in Jerash by the year 250 AD. Ang tagal na pala. And ruins of 16 churches built between in the 4th to 7th centuries AD. Ang tagal na pala to. No? Ganun pala to. One of the most integrated among the oldest Levant cities built by the Romans. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. This is the main structure. We just arrived in Jordan yesterday, no? This is the first site, almost an hour drive from Amman. Ang ganda, no? Sunog lang yung mukha natin dito, but this is naka-sunblock na. Tingnan mo naman, oh. Wow. Tagal na to, no? Sabihin natin more than 1,000 years. We're in the city of Jerash, city or municipality of Jerash. Ang ganda ng sky niya, oh. Okay, let's see. Wow. Iba yung beauty din ng Jordan, huh? AD pa to, no? Anno Domini. Ang ganda sa kona. Ang ganda sa sky niya. Wow, dito. Pasok tayo. Very nice location. Pasok tayo dito. Very nice. Magpasok pa kami dito. This area. Maganda, grabe.